Hello everyone, my name is Utsav Kasare and today I will be creating a simple cabinet for beginners using Revit 2021. So let's start with creating a new family. Here I will be taking English, then we can also take metric furniture or metric generic model, wall base for kitchen cabinets. But here today I will be going with metric generic model. Here you can see that we have 4 views. One is 3D view, second is front view, third is left view, and fourth is reference level. We will start with taking a reference plane and start putting random lines to create the base for cabinet. You don't have to worry for dimensions now, as I will show you an easy way to fix this. So once you are done with putting reference lines, we will go to annotate and select align measurements, then select the line for dimensions and then click EQ, which will automatically place the reference plane on equal distance. We will do the same with the other side as well. Once that's done, click on dimensions and then create a new parameter and name it cabinet depth or just depth. Do same with width dimension. Once we have done this, go to create and select extrusion. For me, it's easier to just go with rectangle selection, but you can go with either lines or pick lines. Then we close the lines to make sure that they stay where we put them. And to see what's the outcome, we go to 3D view and then we select family types from properties. Here you can see the parameters we created for our cabinet. If we change the numbers here, our cabinet shape will also follow the number we put due to parameter, and as we fixed the extrusion, then we go to the front view to design a cabinet. We get a new reference plane and then align it with the top layer for cabinet and lock it. If we go back to 3D view, now you can see we can control the height, width and depth of our cabinet structure. We can then right click on the reference plane and select create similar. Then we select pick lines and set the offset. Here I will be taking 50. Make sure to take offsets from the main reference plane as well as measurements from main line to offset. Select the dimensions and create another parameter and name it thickness. Now we will divide this model to section and offset them with the thickness as well. Then we go to create and select void forms and then select void extrusion. You can go again with lines or rectangle. You can select it directly with the plane or can set the offset to -50. As you can see, it automatically aligns with the previous offsets. Once it's done, go to left view and again do the offset for 50 from back and align the void extrusion and lock it. If you now go to the 3D view, you can see that we have now created the interior space for a drawer. Once that's done, go to the left view and create a similar reference plane and offset it for 50 and name the plan door plane. Go to front view and select another offset from interior space about 20 on all sides. That will be the doors for the drawers. Select extrusion and set the plan to door plane which we created in left view. So here you can see we have created a drawer for a cabinet. Now we will make more like this to complete our furniture. We can make cupboard storage below as well. I'm showing you the easiest way for learners to create a simple design cabinet. You can repeat few steps and create a design as per your choice. Once my cabinet will be completed, I'll show you guys how to create a handle. So now what we do is go to files and select new, then family. Here I'll be using matrix generic model face based. Set an offset for new reference plane for 100 on each side. We will do the same process which we did in the beginning. Select the lines and place measurements. So if the dimensions are not suitable, we can change them later. Now go to front view and create another reference plane for handle depth and select sweep. Select sketch path. Here I will be taking line as it's easier. Once you have done it, you can see that there is a red dot which represents the line to be sweep. Now we go to reference view again and select edit profile. Select the shape you like. Here I will be selecting circle. Place the circle from the red dot and click done. Now we go to the 3D view. You can see that the sweep we created changed into a handle. Name the file as handle. Then load it into the project. It will directly go to our cabinet family. Place the handle as you wish. And if the dimensions did not match, then double click on it to change the dimensions. Now you can see file, fill the materials. So let's select the doors of the cabinets and go to materials and create a new family parameter and name it cabinet door. Then select the body of the cabinets and repeat the same procedure. Also with the handle. Once this is done, go to File and select New Project. Then go back to Cabinet Family and load it into the project. Once that's done, you can go to Edit and see that the material parameter we created are placed there and then manually select a material for each parameter. So all in all, this is all for today. I hope it was helpful and thank you for giving your attention. Have a nice day. That's all. Thank you.